Watch the video full to understand what am I doing here. In the WhatsApp, you can make yourself completely secure, secretive and make yourself completely private in your WhatsApp account. Click on account. In the account, you have to click on privacy. In the privacy, you have to click on this last scene. This is the most significant of your WhatsApp privacy. When you are online, your chat contacts can see which time you were online. That means which were you were last seen in WhatsApp. That's a scene in your WhatsApp chat interface. You normally see that as the last scene of your contacts, and the same of yours are seen to your WhatsApp contact or the people that are not your WhatsApp friend list or contact list, or this is visible to everyone. You can change that to my contacts, so only your contacts of your WhatsApp contact list or friend list can see the last scene or last availability of you in WhatsApp. You can make that nobody, so your WhatsApp online or last seen status will be completely hidden. Next, after that, you have to click on profile photo. That will completely hide your WhatsApp profile picture to a WhatsApp avatar. What do I mean? Make that my contacts. Same. That will be available only to your contacts, not to everyone. But if you make that nobody, then that will be available to nobody. That means no one can see your WhatsApp profile picture, whatever it is now. Only the WhatsApp avatar will be seen to everyone. So last seen and profile photo, these two are the most significant of your WhatsApp privacy. You can make your WhatsApp completely private, almost private, using these two options. After that, you have to change about. In the about, your something is written in your about. You can make that for my contacts, only for your friend list, that means your contact list, and you can make that only for you, so nobody can see your WhatsApp about, what you have written in your WhatsApp about. And same, you can change that in your status. See carefully everything, so you can learn everything. You can make that with my contacts, except some options will be given to you to choose these people. So these people only can see your status, but these are not like this. So these, some people can choose, some people cannot. These people except. You mean? What do you mean? If you select this tick finally, then that process will be finalized. And you can change that to only share with. The same. If you select these contacts, then and finally, then your WhatsApp status will be, that means your WhatsApp image and video that you share in the WhatsApp status will be shared with them. I keep that my contacts. I keep that only with my contacts. Now, read receipts. This is so significant, so important. This is about WhatsApp group. The chat group that you chat in the WhatsApp. This is about that. You can, if you select that or check that, then your sent chat in the WhatsApp group will be seen to them, and the double tick mark of the blue tick mark will be seen. But if you unselect that, then none will be seen. You can turn that on and turn that off, simply clicking that here. So this is now turned off. I make that turn off. What about group? This same. click on that. Who can add me to groups? You can choose your contacts from here, that these contacts can add you to groups, but my contacts accept, then some particular people can never add you to groups, but you can keep that to everyone, so everyone can add you to the groups that they want. I keep that everyone, and then finally you have to click on this done. Then this process will be permanent and completed. Live location, this is not important, so important live location, but you can make that with, you are not sharing live location in any chats, so this is not important right now. Blocked contacts, I have not blocked anyone, so this is not also important. You can get back and click on security. This is so significant. Click on security and show security notifications. Turn on these settings to receive notifications when one of your contacts security code changes. You can turn that on, but I turn that off. You can change that two-step verification. You can change the pin, six digit pin. I will not change that now. You do that to make a permanent pin for your WhatsApp account. Whenever you use your mobile SIM to another device, then this pin will be used. You can change your number. I have made a video on that before. You can check that. If you have seen my previous videos on WhatsApp, then you can check out how to change WhatsApp number. Now request account info. This is not so important. You are not going to delete your WhatsApp account, so this is not important now. And delete my account. If you want to delete your WhatsApp account, then you can get into here. So this was the process to completely make your WhatsApp secure and make your WhatsApp completely private. This was the process. Do you have any question? You can ask me in the comment box. So this is the summary, how to make your WhatsApp completely private and secure. If you want to hear briefly, you have to click on the top right corner, the three dots, then settings, after that account, and here you have to click on privacy. Privacy is the place where you have to make your WhatsApp completely private and secure, but you have to work on the security option too.